Hey everyone, here's the runner, and welcome on day 2 of our trip to becoming a performance engineer. Um, if you're new to the channel, there was episode 1 last week. You can just watch it and to have the same setup. So today we will create the package, so I'll let you look at how I'm doing. So to make a package is really simple. You create a directory with underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py, and this will make your directory become a package. So to import the subpackages, you have to put from dot import the name of the subpackage. Here I forgot the from dot like in the whole video, but that's not a problem because I will fix it in a future video. So here we are creating the different files for the different session of a Grand Prix. So there is free practice. We'll load every free practice in the same file, same object, because we'll create a class for each session. Um, so, like I said, I just forgot the from dot in front of the import. So in utils, we'll like create some different things like to manage colors about the different drivers or themes. So create some templates of data frames that you can use just by importing it, and make like custom templates so you can use the whole package without having to understand everything. To have like some examples. And the watermark is just like when I'm creating my content on the different channels of this. Like when I'm creating some content, I just have the watermark on it, so they know it's my content on it. So I create now the qualifying, then the sprint. For the sprint, make sure be careful because like in 2021, I guess it was called sprint qualifying, so it's SQ and not just S or SR. I don't remember. It's like not the same because the first year sprint arrived, it was like a different name. So why do I put to do in some comments? So when on PyCharm, when you put on everything on JetBrains, where you put a to do in a comment, it will just put it at somewhere on your editor, so you just find it easily, and you can go back to this part later on and really clearly see where it is. So I really enjoy this functionality and really use it almost everywhere and in every project. So don't don't worry if you're not following everything. I will push every week on my GitHub the different things I've done. So make sure you can go check and look at all the commits, and you can find the code. It's better for you to understand what I'm doing and following along. But if you prefer just to see the code, you can go on GitHub. I won't like stop you going there. But here the goal is like to make our skill better and like train. So if you're just going to copy my code and reuse it, then you won't like progress. But that's not my problem. Like just, and if you don't arrive to make something, like I'm glad to help you on my Discord. So just come and join us. If you enjoyed this video, you can like leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to see the future episodes of our tutorial, just press the bell button so you will receive a notification when the next video is out. So I'll let you with the end of the video and see you next week.